Welcome to episode 1 of Duo Doers. In this episode, we're going to go over the best way to clean glass or ceramic stoves. This right here is our stove right after we cooked, and you can see we fried a lot of greasy stuff, and so our stove top is very, very covered in grease. First thing I want to do is go and clean that grease, get the grease off, the grime off, the top layer, nice and clean by using a degreaser. In this case, we're going to be using the Zep heavy duty greaser. That's the one I use. You can use just regular degreasing soap or anything that breaks down the grease. You want that to mix in really well with whatever cleaning solution that you have, so that it wipes off rather than just getting smeared everywhere. Right now, I'm just a quick clean to remove that top layer of grease that you should be doing after every cooking session anyway. And then once this is done, we're going to go over a little bit more deep cleaning method that we do once a month, once every 2 months, to get all that baked on, cooked on junk off of there and get it to look pretty much brand new. We tried tons of different products to get this clean, like that baked on stuff that would never come off, and it would look like it's off and it still looked dirty. And so here, after I'm done degreasing it, I'm going to go ahead and take what I use to clean it, more like a polishing action at the end. You can see, even after using the degreaser, we have a ring of baked on stuff over the last month that we've been cooking on there. And still, you can see a little layer of grease on there because we had a lot. And all that baked on, that ring that goes around there, not the silver one that's obviously painted on there, but the ring of like burnt on junk is going to get removed after this. We're using something called Ceramibrite. This is the product that I found that works the best. It comes in a little package. I'll link it down below. And I'm also using a Scotch-Brite pad. The pad that comes with it is okay, but it doesn't work as well. It's not as easy to use as just a regular Scotch-Brite that everybody should have. So Ceramibrite is just a nice paste, and it comes with a scraper too. So first I'm going to go ahead and scrape all the junk off of there, and all that burnt on junk that's left over after cooking like 100 times in a month. Like, we cook a lot here. I'm going to show you really close up of like just the cooked on stuff that looks like a very thin layer, but there's actually going to be a lot there. Just spillovers, oil being cooked on there after a while of cooking. So that's going to help you scrape all that junk off. But even then, you see still the stove still looks dirty. Even this stove right here, it has a lot of just spots and stuff. And then you'll see it's all going to be nice and clean. So I'm removing that. Now I'm adding a nice little layer of the Ceramibrite solution, and I want to rub that in really nicely, just circular motions, and get that nice and worked in. I did this for about like 5 or 6 minutes. I'm just scrubbing, going around circles, make sure I cover every surface, and definitely dig into those little bit more baked on areas. And I do this for a little bit, not pressing too hard, just giving a nice light consistent pressure. We'll wait a couple minutes and then wipe this all off. It does take a couple of wipes to get it all off. You'll see the first wipe left a little bit of a haze, second left a little bit less of a haze, and the third one just cleared it up. And now you can see, especially in the little stove area closest to us, is now completely clean. So if you remember before, it was a lot of little oil spots and little cooked on spots. Now that's completely clean and nice and shiny. The center of the bottom left thing is probably going to be the hardest one to do, because that's the one we use the most, and that's probably the top layer already being cooked off from all the use it's gotten. You can see now, nice and clean. All that grease is gone, all the cooked on things are gone, and it looks pretty much brand new. Thank you guys for watching, and please make sure to hit the like button, make a comment, subscribe, or follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Duo Doers to see any updates on upcoming projects. Thank you.